Subject English. Lesson excuses. Last period we will see the remaining part of the lesson. Today I will give you a passage on that part. Read the following passage and do the activities. Simple factual activity. Question number 1. Complete the following sentence with the help of the passage. First sentence: Ritesh went back to the shop to dash. Second sentence: the dog finally left the school bag when Ritesh dash. Third: Ritesh left the dog only when he found dash. Ritesh was good at dash. Passage 2. Page number 40 to 43. Miss Sen. Then why are you late? Dash. Not good at making up stories. Question number 2. Complex factual activities. How did Ritesh describe the same dog the second time? Next question. When according to Ritesh was he relieved? A3. Complete the following by inserting the correct words from the skit. First sentence: the heavy load would not dash. My friend dash me to eat chocolates in the classroom. Third sentence: I was dash to find my lost notebooks. Fourth: the child lost his way and now he was dash his mother. Second point: match the words in column A with in their meaning in column B. A column: cured, realized, growled, relieved. B column: no longer worried, attracted to the something, became aware of, made angry sounds. A4 grammar, contextual grammar. Report the following in indirect speech. Ritesh: I had left my bag at the school, at the shop. Then second sentence means saying there's a story writing competition. Third sentence: Ritesh, finally the shopkeeper gave me some biscuits. Then second part do I directed how that dog growled. Change the sentence into assertive sentence. Then this is a new type of sentence you have. This is exclamatory sentence. We change into assertive sentence. The subject is the dog growled very angrily or fiercely. Then second: I could not live without my school bag. Rewrite the sentence using able to. A5 personal response. Why do you think did Ritesh refuse to take part in the story writing competition? This is first question. Second: can you believe his last excuses for refusing to take part in the story writing competition? So this is the passage. On that part you follow in your notebook as well as